So I'm going to show you how to turn the touchscreen on or off on your Dell laptop. Now, this is a Dell laptop with a touchscreen which works. So you might want to turn it off, or maybe if it's off, you want to turn it on. Here's what to do. So you want to go to the Start menu and go to Device Management, or rather Device Manager. So you want to click on that. That's going to open up your Device Manager. And in your Device Manager, go and look for Human Interface Devices. You want to click on that. And then under Human Interface Devices, you're looking for the HID compliant touchscreen. You're looking for this option right here. So if you right click on it, you have the option to disable this device. So that's going to be the touchscreen. So it says it's going to cause your touchscreen to stop functioning. Click on yes. And now you notice the touchscreen no longer works. And to turn it on, again, go through the same steps. And once you get to the HID compliant touchscreen, let's right click on it and then click on enable device. And that's going to enable the touchscreen. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.